welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to install Face Fusion 3.5 in a simple and easy way. And also, if you are new to AI or editing, don't worry, just follow my step. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your web browser, go to the official Face Fusion website, that is GitHub page. You can scroll down and check the overview, what's going on with it. Also, if you want a direct installer, click on the link given over here, it says Windows installer. You can just buy it for $20. I'm not gonna do that, but for your ease of installing, you can just buy it. Or for Mac OS, you can do it over here. It's $30. Just gonna do it in a simple way. It's because it's free and it's open source, so I'm gonna install it locally. You guys can also do it. Alright, first step is to download the zip. I already downloaded multiple times, so I saved it over here and extract it. You can just go ahead and open this and extract to wherever you would like to. Okay guys, so now let's create our Conda environment. You can either use Anaconda prompt, but let's install it via CMD over here. Yay, come on. Okay, let's maximize this. Type Conda. We are basically creating our Conda environment. Prefix, copy your directory where you want to install it. Type, I'm gonna just say tutorial. Okay, Python pip new 5.0. okay, okay, let's press Y and enter. Now the Conda environment has been activated. Copy this, make sure to keep it in a safe place, you might need in the future. Conda activate. So the Conda environment has been activated, as you can see over here. Now what we can do is Conda install FFmpeg. This will install all the required FFmpeg document files. Also type pip install Python and FFmpeg. Also pip install FFmpeg Python. Okay, so now go back to the GitHub page, scroll down and click on installation. Click accept. You might need to install your accelerator if you're using a dedicated GPU, CUDA, Tensor and OpenRhino.